Welcome everyone. For like the 20th night in a row, you know, I place my AirPods in, I wake up and they're not charged. Now, obviously, this is not an issue with the the case not having any charge, because you can see there is a green light. If there is a red light, that does mean the case did die. However, you know the case is working, but when you put your AirPods in, either they're not charging or you need to like cram them in like this, and now it just detects it. So this is an issue with dust and building up in the charging connectors. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a bit of that. So you will actually need to go on Amazon and buy an air duster. So this will help. Basically, it's compressed gas and it will help remove that debris. Now, do not, under any circumstances, go and put water in those connections or put soap. You will need an actual proper tool. And if you can't pay for this, just you want to like put the AirPod in, right? And then just like press it really hard, and then usually the contacts will work. So what we're going to do is we'll get our air duster, we'll just pull it in, and we'll just do that right there. And I just want to make sure that it did something. I'm not sure if it did. So we'll get this. I'll use my right hand, you know, the dominant hand, wing. And yeah, that definitely did something. So we'll just jam it in one, jam it in the other. Now it's compressed gas, so it is safe. It's not like water. It will evaporate very quickly. So I use this to fix my keyboard. Like, you'll see, right? You know, if it's a bit like liquid nitrogen, it will make the stuff really cold. It's like, oh, it's really cold to the touch. But yeah, this will basically fix the issue. So I'm going to go around the entire thing, around this area. But the main important part is by the connector. And it will smell a bit bad, and the case gets really cold, but that will fix the issue. And this will not damage, even though it is a liquid, you can see right here, it will not in any way damage the connections, because it is compressed gas, not, you know, water. So the case will get really cold, but I'm just going to drop that on the floor, I don't care. But that should clean the connection. So you want to you know, give it a bit, you know, wait for it to be a bit warmer, or if you're me, you just put them in anyway. And if you look on the AirPods themselves, if there's like a bit of debris on there, you don't need to use a whole air compressor, but you probably want to like clean it. So I'm just gonna do that right here. There we go. That's good enough. So if we put it in, you can see the right one's recognized, and you can see the left one is now recognized.